So this is the hydrostatic pressure, which is also known as center of pressure apparatus. In this apparatus we can find the forces, we can find the force, hydrostatic force acting on the quadrant. So this is the transparent tank in which we will fill with water. It has an adjustable feet for the leveling. This tank also has a drain valve for the drainage of water when after the experiment or during the experiment. This gray plastic this is the quadrant. So this is the quadrant. This is the quadrant. Uh, when we fill the this transparent tank with water, the force will act on that face of the quadrant. We can The aim of the experiment is to find this force. So this is the weight hanger attached at the one end of the lever arm, and this is the adjustable weight. uh, we will use this weight to adjust the to balance the quadrant. Once the quadrant has been balanced, then we will apply these weights. These are 100-gram weights, and these are 50-gram weights, and these are 10-gram weights. So we will apply these weights, then we will fill this transparent tank with water. Then we will note down the level with the help of this measuring scale. uh, then we can find the hydrostatic force or hydrostatic thrust acting on the face of the quadrant. So first of all, I have attached the hanger at this point. As you can see, there is a groove installed. We have attached the hanger at this point, and we will adjust this weight such that I can balance this quadrant. There is a pointer attached at this end. This pointer will show when the quadrant will be balanced. When the pointer aligns with this white line, it means that the quadrant is balanced. So right now the quadrant is almost balanced, but not fully balanced. So I will slowly turn this and wait for this to stop. So as you can see, I have fully balanced this quadrant. The quadrant is now fully balanced. So uh, after that, I can check that this drain valve is closed. Then I will fill the tank with water such that the water does not spill. As you can see that when I fill the water, it exerts a force on the face of the quadrant, and it tilts the quadrant upward. So our quadrant has now been unbalanced. To balance the quadrant, I will add this 100-gram of weight. So the quadrant has now tilted backward to the bottom position. Now I will add more water until the balance the quadrant has been balanced with water. So I will add more water to balance the quadrant. As you can see, the pointer moves upward but not at the balance position, so I will add more water. As you can see, the pointer goes upward from the balance position, so in that case I will turn on this valve such that the water will go out from the transparent tank, and until we have this pointer balanced. So I have drained the little water and our pointer has now been balanced. So we have balanced this apparatus, this quadrant, with the help of water. We have added 100 gram of weight, and the water level, as you can read from the scale, it is 62 mm. So 62 mm is the water level and 100 gram of weight applied. So with this data we can find the hydrostatic pressure or hydrostatic force acting on the face of the quadrant. You can also check the effect of pressure uh, with the variation of the angle of the quadrant. So this right now we have a 0 degree angle. As you can see that there is a punch mark. As you can see, this is 0 degree, this hole is for 10 degree, this for 20 degree, and this for 30 degree. So we can change the angle of this quadrant by removing this pin and making this quadrant tilt at 10 degree. Then I will add this pin. The quadrant will be at 10 degree angle. So after changing the angle, I will repeat the whole experiment. I will balance the quadrant with the help of this weight, and then I will add 100 gram of hanger, and then after that I will add water, and I will balance the quadrant with the help of with the water. So all the procedure is the same. uh, if you change the angle, then the procedure, you can repeat the procedure. So first of all drain this water, then remove this weight. I will drain. So I have drained the water level, and I have removed the 100 gram weight. Now I will change the angle by removing this pin. So I will attaching this pin to the 10 degree increment. So now the angle of the quadrant has been changed, and right now its angle is 10 degree. So I will again balance this quadrant, because this is unbalanced. As you can see, I will again balance this quadrant by sliding this weight such that the quadrant has been balanced. I will again balance this, change the position of this sliding weight to balance this quadrant. I think the quadrant has now been balanced. So I have balanced this quadrant. Now I will add some weight, say 100 gram of weight to this quadrant. Now the quadrant has been unbalanced. So I will now balance this quadrant by adding water to this transparent tank and noting down the water level and the weight applied. With the help of this weight applied and water level, we can find the hydrostatic thrust on this quadrant.